We have a giant bull flag forming right here. Have you seen this? This has been forming for well over a year. When is it going to break? Hit that subscribe button. My name is Steve. There's only 2 days left. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. The clock is ticking. Largest sale of the year is almost over. I don't want you to miss out. With that all-in-one bundle, you're going to start to dominate your trades, start recovering those losses, and have much less stress. I have been where you are, and I know how to take you where I am. One-time payment unlocks immediate access and lifetime access. Reach out to me 24/7 with any questions you have. If you like my videos, you're going to absolutely love my program, because you're going to get my personal strategy that's going to help you multiply your portfolio. The clock is ticking. 2 days left. cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. Now, this chart right here, we're going to have it hidden. You're not going to know what it is, but we're going to unveil it at the end, and it's going to be a fun little game. Can you guess what it is? Do you know what it is already? Have you seen this chart? You've probably looked at this chart very recently. I guarantee you've looked at this chart recently. So do you know it? Let's play a fun little game. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to give my analysis, and then we'll unveil it at the end, and we'll see if you're correct. So first and foremost, what's happened is market structure is everything. On our channel, we talk about it time and time again. These are similar moves to Bitcoin, where you just have enormous price action moves, down here from around $2 to up here around $17. These are just massive kind of crypto-esque moves. And then what we did for an entire period of time, you look from 2013 all the way to 2019, was we just focused on building market structure. Quite literally, this is what we did. You can see this market structure here: resistance, 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 breakthrough, support, 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 breakthrough, boom, resistance, back to support, like a rocket ship. We went from about less than $20 all the way up here to about over $400. These are crypto-esque moves, and they cannot be possible without market structure. They cannot. Market structure is everything. Look at this beautiful market structure that it formed for years. Bitcoin may be in a similar type of move over the next handful of years to this, because we just did this over the last couple market cycles, and we've already done this over the last couple market cycles. We have to have this period where we build out some pretty heavy market structure. Now, bull flags. Bull flags are very, very simple. What you need is a line at the top. This is our resistance, meaning each candle acts as resistance coming into this level. And then we need a parallel line at the bottom representing our support. And what happens in a textbook bull flag is you go from the top to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom. You bounce in these parallel lines after a large rally. This represents our flagpole, and this represents our flag. You can see our flagpole is just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. To go from a price of about 18 to a little over 400 is absurd, but we know it well because we're in crypto, and these type of moves are just a normal Tuesday. So what is inside of here? What does this represent? Is this some kind of a crypto? Is this some kind of a other investment? Is it some sort of stock? But what I'm doing here is showing you something very, very powerful, because at the bottom here, we have our stochastic RSI, and we're on a 2-month chart to keep it super, super clean and super, super simple. We had a cross up here, and we had most recently had the cross up here in 2019. This cross was after we were finished with our market structure. We had this cross right when we were in kind of a in-between area here, and this cross provided monumental momentum to help us propel, and now we're in this bull flag. So we have a large pull here. We have our bull flag forming, and bull flags are bullish. It's a continuation pattern, which means that this flag pull will repeat again if we break out as we should. The majority of these break to the upside, and if it did, we would measure this huge, ridiculous pull, and it would tell us some astronomical number that we could get to if it plays out. Now, how would it be null and void? It would be null and void if we broke to the downside like we are now and started closing candles below. It would be null and void. So what we can do is we can wick through this bottom level. That's no problem. The wicks tell the story, the bodies tell the facts. We've got to hold our body of the candle inside of here. Now, we've been inside of here for, let's see how many days precisely. 365 days. 365 days we've been inside of this bull flag. At the same time, our RSI has fallen dramatically from our recent pivot high in July of 2020 to right here, which is almost our pivot low from 2019. So we can already look right here. And in an earlier video, we covered Amazon, right? Who actually broke to its most oversold time of its entire life. So would it be possible that this stock could get to the lowest point, the most oversold point in its entire history? It's quite possible. What this chart is saying, based on the stochastic RSI being down here at this 4 level and kind of going sideways, is that there's still some turmoil to come. We are still having almost no momentum in the market, and we're in this bull flag, and our RSI is spiraling out of control. This chart says there's still some turmoil to come. We're not out of the woods by any stretch of the imagination. There's no signals in the market that we are close to out of the woods. But what we want to do is we want to continue in this bull flag. We don't want to break out the bottom. We don't want to null and void, because if this bull flag breaks to the upside, it will be legitimate fireworks, similar to a move of this stature. So shall we unveil it? Shall we unveil what this is? You may have had some guesses. You may be getting quite good at this game. I saw in the comments that you guys want more information like this, where you can get more well-rounded information outside of crypto to help your investment strategy. So here I am, providing information on one of the most widely disputed stocks on planet Earth and giving you my opinion on what I see. But the long story short is still some turmoil. We're going to have to see the stochastic RSI blue line cross up and confirm above the 20 level, right? First, we need to confirm above the 10 level, which has been a critical level for this stock in its history. But then we're going to need to confirm above the 20 level, which is up here. So we're far away from that. There's still some turmoil to come, and we cannot break this bull flag. So shall we unveil what it is? You probably have your guess right now. You might have a very good idea based on this market structure. This was a very critical time, but I think it's time to unveil it. Drum roll, please. Introducing Tesla on the 2-month chart. We'll keep you up to date. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video.